Hello everyone, this is Lavina and welcome to my channel. Are you confused whether to use cloth diapers or to use normal disposable diapers for your little one? Even I was at that same place some point in time. And so today's video is about pros and cons of both these diapers. I've tried to put all these points together in one video so that it really helps you to decide which one is convenient for you and your little one. Come, let's see. Point number 1. Normal disposable diapers are use and throw. Isn't it a blessing? It doesn't have any washing to be followed. But when it comes to cloth diapers, we still have to wash them every day. And we not only have to wash them, but it is also important that we follow a proper washing routine. Because if we don't follow it, there are very high chances that the inserts inside would lose their absorbency. Isn't it a headache? I always used to feel it as one. But it's a hard truth. Point number 2. What if my little one outgrows the largest size of disposable diapers available? I always used to be scared of this fact. I don't know why. But thankfully, my little one got trained on time. So yes, the study says that kids who are on cloth diapers for a longer period of time, they do have the tendency to get potty trained more earlier as compared to the kids who are on disposable diapers completely. Said that, it doesn't mean that if your kid is on disposable diapers, he'll not get trained, he will still get trained. But think it this way, that disposable diapers basically dry out everything. And so there is a very high tendency that your kid might think that it is normal to pee or poo in these diapers itself, which should not be the case ideally. Whereas in the cloth diapers, they still have that wet sensation and so they get that irritating feeling, and it has also observed that a lot of times these kids do develop some sign language with their parents indicating that they really need to use the loo. Isn't that great? Point number 3. The normal disposable diapers has a huge recurring cost as compared to the cloth diapers. To understand this, let's see it this way. Every parent would be changing a normal disposable diaper of their little one every 4 hours. And so we end up using somewhere close to 6 diapers in a day. And also considering the fact that your little one will get trained up to 3 years of age, so they end up using somewhere close to 6,600 diapers in 3 years. Whereas when it comes to cloth diapers, you're using only 20 of them. Isn't there a huge difference? So yes, using of cloth diapers is definitely a huge cost saver. But there are also 2 other points with cloth diapers. Point number 1 is that although it's a huge cost saver, but it also has an initial investment which is not that less. And so it is very important that you make up your mind that you would be using these cloth diapers for the entire journey. Otherwise, they are again a waste of money only. Again, the second thing is that cloth diapers still require a lot of washing, and that takes a lot of time in a day. Isn't time equals to money? So yes, it is important that you decide which is more important for you, whether time or whether money, or maybe a little bit of both like me. Point number 4. There is a huge awareness going around these days to save Mother Earth, which is important also. But if we are using normal disposable diapers, we are definitely not going to do that. Being said that, I would just say that do not take the burden of saving the earth this way. Maybe you can grow few more plants around your house, or maybe you can stop the usage of plastic bags altogether. So this way, we do our own bit of saving the earth. At the same time, we don't lose our convenience. Point number 5. The disposable diapers do not come in cute prints, but the cloth diapers come in variety of cute prints. So I also used to leave my little one around the house only in these cloth diapers without any extra pants. He still used to look fine. But with these cloth diapers, their hips do look a little bulky, whereas with the disposable diapers, they don't. Point number 6 and the last point. Whenever you go out shopping or maybe taking your kid to the play area, it is important that with the cloth diapers we work very smartly, because we definitely don't want them to poop around in that diaper outside, because storing that poop diaper is definitely not a cool idea. It's a yuck, right? So it is important that we have to make certain arrangements to either store that pooped diaper, or we'll have to rush back home as soon as possible. And so, whereas with a disposable diaper, as the name suggests, we just have to dispose it off. These were my pointers of cloth diapers versus disposable diapers. I hope that they were useful for you. If you really like hearing to me, then please do hit the subscribe button. You can also hit the bell icon to get a notification about my new video. It means a lot to me. Thank you. Bye.